Struggling with laundry? Don't worry. In today's video, I'm sharing 14 Amazon products that will make your laundry routine faster, easier, and stress-free. Let's dive in. This compact, portable washing machine is the perfect solution for small living spaces, such as apartments, dorms, RVs, or even for travel. Its foldable design allows it to be easily collapsed and stored away when not in use, saving valuable space. Despite its small size, it's effective for washing small loads, making it ideal for delicates, baby clothes, or single-person laundry needs. Its user-friendly interface makes it simple to operate, and it uses a gentle, energy-efficient washing process that's perfect for those on the go or looking to save space and energy. This rack is designed to be mounted directly to the wall, offering a fold-out drying system that extends when needed and folds back flat when not in use. It's crafted from high-quality, durable materials that resist rust and wear, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The sleek, modern design ensures that it blends into your home decor, while providing ample space to air-dry clothes, towels, or linens. This retractable clothesline is a versatile and practical laundry solution, perfect for homes with limited drying space. The line extends when you need it, providing up to several meters of drying space for your clothes, and retracts back into a sleek, compact housing when not in use. Its robust construction ensures it can hold heavier items such as jeans or towels, and it's designed to be used both indoors and outdoors. The retractable feature makes it ideal for those looking to save space, as it disappears from view when not needed, keeping your home tidy. This spray is designed to instantly smooth out wrinkles from your clothing by simply spraying, smoothing the fabric with your hands, and letting it dry. It's perfect for those quick touch-ups before heading out, and it's a lifesaver for travel, allowing you to refresh your clothes without the need for an iron. The formula works on most fabrics, leaving them looking freshly pressed, and the lightweight bottle makes it easy to carry in your bag or suitcase. This folding board is a simple yet highly effective tool that makes folding clothes quick, easy, and uniform. This board helps you achieve perfectly folded shirts, pants, and other clothing items in seconds, reducing the time spent on laundry. It's especially useful for families or individuals with a large volume of laundry to fold regularly. The board's durable, foldable design allows it to be easily stored when not in use, and it's perfect for anyone looking to keep their closets and drawers neat and organized. This laundry hamper is designed to make sorting your laundry a breeze. It features 3 separate compartments labeled for darks, lights, and colors, helping you organize your laundry efficiently before washing. The sturdy fabric and reinforced frame ensure durability, while the lightweight design makes it easy to transport from room to laundry room. It's a great addition to any household, keeping laundry sorted and simplifying the washing process. This collapsible cloth drying rack is a perfect space-saving solution for air drying your clothes. The rack is lightweight, foldable, and easy to set up and take down, making it ideal for small apartments or homes with limited space. It provides ample space for drying a variety of items, from delicate garments to heavier items like towels. When not in use, it folds flat for easy storage, making it a practical choice for those looking to save space while maintaining an eco-friendly approach to drying clothes. This cordless lint remover is designed to keep your clothes looking fresh and new by removing lint, fuzz, and pilling. The fabric shaver features sharp, rotating blades and a comfortable handle, making it easy to glide over fabrics to restore their smooth texture. The cordless design adds to its convenience, allowing you to use it on the go or at home without needing to plug it in. It works on a wide range of fabrics, including sweaters, upholstery, and more, making it a versatile addition to your laundry toolkit. These wool dryer balls are a natural and eco-friendly alternative to fabric softeners and dryer sheets. Made from 100% wool, these balls are placed in the dryer with your laundry to help reduce drying time, soften fabrics, and reduce static. They're reusable for hundreds of loads, making them an economical and environmentally friendly choice for any household. Additionally, they're chemical-free and safe for sensitive skin, making them a great option for families or those with allergies. This hanger is designed to hold up to 5 garments at once, making it perfect for organizing pants, shirts, scarves, ties, or towels in a compact space. Its foldable design allows it to be used both horizontally and vertically, providing flexibility based on your closet's layout. When used vertically, it maximizes space by stacking items in a cascading manner, which is ideal for small closets or travel. The anti-slip arms ensure that clothes stay securely in place without sliding off, while the high-quality stainless steel construction offers a sturdy, rust-resistant build that will last for years. Lightweight yet robust, this 5-in-1 hanger is perfect for decluttering and efficiently organizing your closet, giving you quick access to multiple items while reducing the need for numerous individual hangers. The sock dock is a genius organizational tool that solves one of the most common laundry problems, losing socks. This unique device works by allowing you to clip pairs of socks together before tossing them in the wash. Each sock dock features several adjustable clips that securely hold socks in place, ensuring they stay paired throughout the washing, drying, and even storage process. Made from durable materials, it's easy to hang in your laundry room or closet. Perfect for busy households, the sock dock helps reduce the time you spend searching for lost socks and sorting them after a wash. By keeping your socks in pairs, it ensures that you never deal with missing socks again, saving both time and frustration. These cleaner tablets are designed to keep your washing machine in optimal working condition by removing the buildup of detergent residue, dirt, and grime that accumulates over time. These tablets are easy to use. Simply pop one into the drum of your washing machine and run a cleaning cycle. They're effective for both front-loading and top-loading machines, and they work by penetrating deep into the machine's crevices and water system to eliminate odors, limescale, and bacteria that can build up after repeated washes. Regular use of these tablets helps to prolong the life of your washing machine, ensures cleaner laundry, and eliminates the risk of mold growth. This simple yet clever tool attaches to the bottom of your detergent bottle, providing a sturdy platform for the measuring cup to rest between uses. It catches any drips or spills that can otherwise make your laundry area sticky or dirty. The built-in tray ensures that the detergent doesn't create a mess, while also making it easier to access the cup when you're ready to use it. This tool is particularly useful for those who store their detergent on shelves or in cabinets, as it keeps everything neat, tidy, and organized. Its sturdy construction ensures that it can support various sizes of detergent containers, making it a must-have addition to your laundry routine for a cleaner and more efficient setup. Over time, lint can accumulate in your dryer vent, causing your appliance to work less efficiently and even posing a fire hazard. This kit is designed to tackle that problem, helping you remove years of built-up lint from hard-to-reach areas. The kit includes a flexible and handy vacuum hose that fits most dryer types and vacuum cleaners, though it is not compatible with Dyson and cordless vacuums. The hose is ideal for cleaning behind appliances and deep inside dryer vents. Additionally, the kit features an extra-long flexible lint brush designed to loosen debris inside the vent or coils behind your refrigerator. That's it for today. I hope these 14 Amazon laundry products help make your life a little easier. If you found something you liked, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below on which product you're excited to try.